Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2019 250 Sun Deck with Outboards. It's a perfect boat for especially down where we are in Naples. And it's got the Sea Ray blue, a very electric looking blue, very sharp on the water, stainless steel insert on the rub rail. And then you've got the bimini top with the sports tower on it. Makes it very stable. You don't get canvas rattle. And as we move to the back of the boat, it's got Sea Deck on the back. It's great. It's very soft, very cushiony. Looks like real teak, but it's much more comfortable to step on. You've got underwater lights, and then it's powered by the Mercury Verado. It's got a 300 horsepower. This is a rocket ship. This boat will fly. It's going to do better than 50 miles an hour. So anywhere you want to go, you can get there in a hurry. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up aboard the 250. Let's start at the back of the boat. As you can see, the decking's got the full sea deck in the back area here. And this is a very versatile seat. It's set up for hanging out. You can lounge here. You can sit very comfortable here. And if you're when you're all done and you're going to be riding, all you do, fold this way and push this back. Now it's good seating for the inside of the boat. It's a pretty cool item. Plenty of seating along here with storage as well. More storage here. Both seats will for lounging when you're hanging out just at the beach, whatever. So you can lounge facing this way. Both seats will do that. The helm is very ergonomically correct. Set up here looks gorgeous with all the dials. And then we do have the head area. It's actually a good size head, and it's got a little light on the area. So as far as getting out of the weather, if you happen to get into a rain or a little bit of a storm, it's somewhere you can go to get out of the weather. Really nice feature for a 25-foot boat. And then finishing up with the bow, we've got just plenty, about 6 adults comfortably up here. Drink holders, speakers, everything all up here. You do have the beach boarding ladder, which we use all the time. You get on the Key Wading, you can enter, get off the boat, and get back on without getting wet. So it's very, very, it's great for where, especially where we boat around here. And it's just an all-around great boat. It's a 25-foot boat. It's a fast boat. Gets you where you want to go in a hurry. So if you got any questions or would like to make an appointment to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.